America's Funding Source is a locally owned and operated mortgage banking company that principled or founded the principal ideas of computerized loan origination back in the mid-'80s. We began our operation back in 1987, and at the time it was a one-man operation. Today there's over 110 people doing about $600 million a year in loans. So we think
That's fantastic.
We've done well.
And
yeah.
Tell me some of the changes that have taken place within the company since.
Well, we started out as a mortgage broker, and our system tracked a variety of mortgage banking companies in the area, and banks and savings and loans. And we have since become a mortgage banker. We're funding and closing our own loans and selling them off in a secondary market, creating a further efficiency for the consumer. We have taken our technology. Now there's over 100 locations, all in all, that are branched together. So we started out with just the concept and the thought and a PC, and we've built it into a network of workstations all throughout Northern California and branch sites. And we continue to develop our software and our systems and our methods to take information to the consumer. We've grown to 110 people, as I mentioned earlier. And we're providing a lot of opportunity for a lot of people.
You must have had an incredible computer background to develop this software.
Right.
None. Zero. Absolutely none. It's funny that you mentioned that, because when I was in college, I had a professor that told me, you know, if you're going to be a business major, let me give you one good word of advice. You don't need to know everything about business. All you have to do is hire the experts that do know. And when we began to develop our own software, we started out with one programmer, and then we added another one, and we kept growing on that original concept and idea to develop our own system, because there wasn't any software out there available, and to date there still is not any off-the-shelf software that does what our system will do. So we just had to create it, and because I've learned a lot about computers over the years, but I had to make it simple so I could understand it.
Sure.
So it was written in a fashion that would allow anybody to use it, which was another
That's
real
terrific.
plus.